Hello and welcome to Get My Econ. Today we will discuss production possibility curve. The production possibility curve is the curve showing alternative production possibilities of two sets of goods with the given resources and techniques of production. Production possibility curve, also known as production possibility frontier, production possibility boundary, transformation curve, transformation frontier. Assumptions of PPC. The amount of resources is in economy is fixed, but these resources can be transferred from one use to another. With the help of given resources, only two goods can be produced. The resources are fully and efficiently utilized. The level of technology is assumed to be constant. Here are production possibility schedule. Goods, wheat and clothes are given in lakh tons and 1000 bundles. Production possibilities A, B, C and D. Suppose an economy decide to produce only two goods, wheat and cloth, using its available resources and available technology. If all the factors of production were used only for wheat production, 10 million tons of wheat could be produced. In contrast, if all the factors of production are used only for the production of cloth, 4,000 bales of cloth can be produced. If the economy produces both goods, then within these limits, many combination of these goods can be produced. The schedule shows the various possibilities of production using production wheat and cloth. The above production possibilities can be represented graphically to determine the production possibilities curve. In this diagram, cloth is shown on the OX line and wheat on the OY line. The first production possibility is 100 lakh tons of wheat and no cloth. This is represented by A dot in the diagram. Similarly, points B, C and D represent different combinations of wheat and cloth. Point E represents the 4,000 bales of cloth and 0 wheat. Joining these points gives us the AE curve, which is called the production possibility curve. Thank you.